This is the Intellibeam unboxing for the Logitech Harmony Elite Universal Remote Control. This remote will allow you to control up to 15 devices. Inside the box we have the Harmony Hub, remote control charging cradle, remote itself. Get back to that in a moment. The setup guide, 2 IR blasters, 2 AC adapters, and a USB cord. So here's the remote itself. Feels a little bit heavier than the Harmony Ultimate touch remotes and whatnot. They relocated the buttons from the top down towards the bottom, which is much nicer compared to the Harmony Ultimate and all the other touch versions. Nothing will still beat the Harmony One with having all the number keys and all that. They seem to be going away from it no matter how hard they try. They just can't seem to go back to it. So here's the remote itself. It adds on the different appliance buttons that you can use to turn off your lights, outlets and whatnot. It's compatible with those kind of devices. So there you have it. Once again, that is the Logitech Harmony Elite unboxing by Intellibeam, technology of tomorrow, today.